The UN General Assembly will be convening in a few weeks, and Haiti's fate will be decided by the United Nations Security Council. Like always, the country won't be deciding its future. The decision will be made for it by foreign entities. And this has always been Haiti's history, in one form of colonization or another. Haiti was once a French colony. Paris decided its fate until it broke free and gained its freedom in 1804. But since then, every foreign entity has tried to crush the nation. The French returned in 1825, and they extracted a blood price from the newly freed nation. They demanded millions of dollars from Haiti over the course of decades. Eventually, the US invaded the country and confiscated its gold reserves. Haiti has never recovered. The country has been dictated by one foreign power or another. A new UN mission will be an extension of that troubled history. We do hope that whatever happens, the people of this country finally find some peace soon.
So, Kim,
why can't we just leave things alone? Right. You know, right. Like what is our interest in Haiti anyway? You know, like at this point, why do we want to continue to destabilize this country? What is the point?
Well, I think we're, for one, still angry that they freed themselves from slavery a little more than 200 years ago.
I think, right, that just seems so, I mean, that was so long ago, you know, it's like, get over it. I just don't feel like, I don't know, there has to be something else there for us to continue to want to meddle. I mean, even though, yeah, I get it, the U.S. government is saying, no, we had nothing to do with this, but all signs are pointing towards, you know, looking pretty suspicious here.